How to make spring rolls in the air fryer. Start by cooking the noodles in a large saucepan of boiling water for 4 minutes or until tender. Drain and refresh the noodles under cold water, then drain well. Take 1 cup of the noodles and cut them into shorter lengths, reserving the remaining noodles. In a large bowl, combine the cut noodles with the mince, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, fish sauce, half the carrot and 1/3 of the spring onions. Next, place 1 pastry sheet on a clean work surface. Place some of the mince mixture diagonally across one corner. Roll up the pastry, folding in the corners as you go, then brush the end with a little water to enclose the filling. Repeat to make 10 spring rolls. Preheat your air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius. Spray the spring rolls with olive oil spray. Remove the basket from the air fryer and arrange the spring rolls over the base. If you have a wire rack, place it carefully over the spring rolls and layer the remaining rolls up on top. Return the basket to the air fryer and cook for 15 minutes, turning the spring rolls halfway through cooking. Once cooked through, remove from the air fryer. Allow to cool slightly and then cut the spring rolls in half. Divide the remaining noodles among serving bowls and top with bean sprouts, mint, coriander, the remaining carrot and spring onions. Top with the spring rolls and drizzle with dressing. If you like, sprinkle with a little chilli. These spring rolls made in the air fryer allow you to cut down on oil while still enjoying golden, crunchy spring rolls.